So I got the RV set up and I thought I would point this out. This is a 2008, what is this, Dutchmen, I think it is, Dutchmen brand RV. And I've had issues off and on with this, the air conditioner kicking on and off, and sometimes not coming on and other times coming on and just running and running and running. And you walk away and come back and it's like a meat locker in here because it's so daggone cold. And I've tried things like cleaning the coils on the air conditioner and checking the various components up on the roof, thinking that that was where my problem was. And just by happenstance, I think I figured it out. So we'll turn it on. It's definitely not 80 degrees in here. Check this out. The slide for your temperature, I'm going to just push in on it a little bit. Now I'll release it, comes right back on. Push in, shuts off. So there's the problem. It's in the slide, temperature slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace that and see if that doesn't take care of the problem. Okay, so we got the new one in. We're testing it out now. I've got it close to 80 degrees, just so I can see if it's going to cut off like it's supposed to when the temperature drops as the air conditioner is running. But I'd say install time, you know, I killed the breaker, had to go out to the truck to get some tools. I'd say total install time, once I got the tools inside here, we're looking at maybe 10-15 minutes. The replacement thermostat's just a little bit different than the old one. The old one here, you can see it had heat strip and then furnace off and then cool. And the new one there has furnace off and cool. The only real difference there that I found between the two as I was installing the new one, if you look at the blue bus bar there at the top, and it's labeled, I'll include a photo of the wiring, but the far left hookup there on the left, the screw there, that one's not utilized. It wasn't used on the old one, and of course it can't be used on the new one because it doesn't even exist. There's a spot there for it on the circuit board, but the bus bar just doesn't extend out that far. So I'll throw in a photo of the diagram for this particular one. I can tell you that depending on the RV manufacturer and probably even the year, it's gonna definitely be different. So you'll have to check your particular RV unit. Maybe go online or do some searches. I wanted to put a residential thermostat in this one originally when I started having problems with the thermostat, but I couldn't get the wiring diagram down, how to marry that up from the RV to a residential and actually have it function. I got it working, but I only had the fan. I couldn't get the air conditioner running. So it's a matter of testing the wires, and I don't have a tester, so I wasn't able to do that. So the next alternative was to replace the thermostat with a direct replacement or something close to it. So we'll let this run for a few minutes and we'll see if the air conditioner shuts off once it comes down to temperature, and we'll know we've got the issue fixed. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so we got the thermostat installed, we tested it out, and the air conditioner does start up and shut off just as it's supposed to now. And it's actually been a day or two since the beginning of this was filmed, and I haven't had any issues out of this thermostat now, so it's definitely working better. It seems like that temperature slide was definitely the issue causing this to malfunction and either continuously run or not come on when it's supposed to. So for the 2007-2008 Dutchmen Victory Lane, that seems to be the issue that I had, so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message down in the comments below, and I'll do the best I can to get back to you. Thanks again for watching.